Hello, Sunny Health and Fitness family. My name is Coach James, and I am here today with a 15-minute lower body workout, okay? So, like every workout, we're gonna start with the warm-up first, okay? We're gonna do a few moves here to help stretch out the front part of our legs, the back part, then we're gonna finish with a fun little cardio move, okay, to get our heart rate jacked up before we get into the work set, okay? So, first warm-up move here, we're gonna go into a dynamic hamstring stretch. Okay, so we're going to step forward with one leg. We're gonna run our hands down our leg, come back up, keeping this front leg straight. And as I run my hands down, I shift back with my hips here. Okay, so we're gonna go as low as you comfortably can. Okay, so we shouldn't fight for this. You shouldn't struggle. I want you to relax into it, okay? Okay, a nice, good stretch. We're gonna stay here for another 5 seconds. We're gonna go, and then we'll switch sides. We're going 30 seconds per side here, okay? Ready? And we're switching here. Okay, so you notice in all these warm-up moves, okay, we won't be holding any stretches, okay? Before our warm-ups, it's really important that we do some dynamic movements, okay? That'll lead to us having better strength, more power for later in the workout, okay? Running down, shifting back with the hips. We're gonna go for another 3, 2, and good. Okay, now we're gonna go into a quad stretch. So we have a couple options here, okay? If you have good balance, boom, if we're feeling our balance today, we can grab the ankle, reach up with the opposite hand. If we're having a hard time balancing today, we can use a chair. Boom, same thing, just pull back, okay? And we're standing tall, and we're going here. We're alternating between legs, going for 30 seconds total. You're pulling that heel towards your butt. And we wanna get this thigh in line with the thigh that's down on the ground, okay? So I'll switch between versions here. You do whatever version works best for you. Okay, we're gonna go for another 5, 4, 3, 2, and good. Okay, now we're gonna go into a lateral lunge stretch, okay? We're gonna get the inner thighs. So we're gonna get really wide with the feet here, toes pointing straight ahead. Okay, we're gonna sit down and back. Imagine you have an imaginary chair behind each leg. You sit down and back. Okay, I'm gonna give you a lateral view here too. So you see, as I shift down, boom, I'm going there. Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, and go. So boom, butt goes back. Now if you have a hard time with this move, you can reach towards your calf. Okay, that tends to help people sit down a little bit lower. We're gonna make sure we keep the chest high here, okay? Chest high. If you have a logo on your shirt, the logo should be seen when you're at the bottom of your lunge here. We go for another 9 seconds. Pushing up through the heels. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Okay, last warm-up move. Okay, this is a fun cardio move I told you we're gonna do. We're gonna go into a fake jump rope. If you have a real jump rope nearby, you can use that too. Okay, we're gonna go 30 seconds here, okay? So you're gonna act like you have a jump rope, you're gonna hop like that, okay? You ready? And go. Okay, now if you're really feeling yourself, you can get creative with the hands, with the feet, you know, you can go, a little step like that. We get some double unders here. See that? Here we go. This is the only way I can do like 50 double unders in a row, okay? Soft landing, moving the feet. Here we go, quick with it, quick with it. I'm gonna get some footwork in here. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. All right. Whew. All right, that's the warm up. Grab some water real quick. Catch your breath. That was a good time. All right, now we're gonna get into, after we grab our water here, we're gonna get into our set, okay, of workout. We're gonna do 4 exercises here. Okay, I'll demo the 4 moves we'll do, okay? So we're gonna start with a shallow metabolic squat, okay? So what that is, we do a partial rep range for our squat, so we don't have to go too low here. And we wanna go fast, okay? So sitting down and back, going down halfway, driving up through the heels. We go 20 seconds on that move. Second move we do an anterior reaching lunge, which we're like this. We have one leg forward, shift back with the hips, come up, shift back with the hips. We should feel it in the back of that front leg. We go 30 seconds per leg for there, and then we go into a skater step, 20 seconds here. So we go boom, Once again, soft landing, reaching back with that back leg. Okay, boom, unleashing our inner athlete there. Then we finish off with a prisoner squat. Hands behind the head, pull the elbows to the back of the room, 30 seconds there. Okay, so we go 20, 30, 20, 30. All right, here we go. Starting off with the shallow metabolic squats here in 3, 2, 1, and go. So real partial reps here, quick pace. Driving up through the heels, arms go out front. Squeezing the glutes at the top. Here we go, we're pushing. We're going for another 3, 2, 1, and good. All right, we're gonna catch our breath here. We're gonna go 30-second rest in between each move here. Okay, so remember after the shallow squats, we go into that anterior reaching lunge. Okay, so we have this front leg forward. We stay light on the back foot. And then remember, you hinge at the hips there, okay? Okay, get ready here. We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. So reaching for the back of the room with the butt. You should feel it all here in the back of the leg, okay? Staying light on that back leg. Hinging, then squeeze at the top. Here we go, keeping a flat back. We're gonna go for another 8 seconds here, 8 seconds. Good, 3, 2, and good. Now, there's only a 10-second rest here between sides. We step forward with the other leg. Stand light on this back leg. Ready, and go. Hinging with the hips here. Here we go. So I'm gonna stay light on that back foot. Imagine my fingertips were under that back foot. You wouldn't want to hurt me, right? Because I'm hooking you up today. Okay, we're breaking a sweat together. Practically friends. We're going for another 12 seconds here. Here we go, pushing through. Let's get it for another 5, 3, 2, and good. That burns. Okay, 30-second rest. Then we go into those skater steps, 20 seconds. So remember, for those, soft landing, this back foot touches the floor. Soft landing, boom, bringing that opposite arm across the body. All right, here we go. We still get another 12 seconds here to rest. Enjoy your rest. Okay, time to get in your game mode here, okay? Remember, unleashing your inner athlete with this one in 3, 2, and go. Boom. Here we go, soft landing. Gonna go easier, smaller steps. Wanna make it harder? Big steps here. Cover as much ground as you want to. No matter which version we do, we land soft. For another 2, 1, and done. Good. Catch our breath. Then we go into the last exercise here for the circuit, prisoner squats. All right, so remember for this one, hands behind the head. We pull the elbows to the back of the room. Keep the chest high. All right, we're sitting down and back. Okay, we'll start here in 6 seconds. Here we go. Hands behind the head, elbows back. Ready, and we're rocking and rolling, we're going. Now make sure we're not tugging on the head. If you have a hard time getting your hands behind your head, we can go hands on the side of the head, okay? Important thing here is we retract those shoulder blades. Boom. Upright torso for these. We're going for another 5 seconds. 2, and good. All right. That's circuit 1. We're gonna rest here, we're gonna grab some water, and then we're gonna run through that one more time. Okay, we're gonna go into a 60-second rest break. All right. Really important we stay hydrated here. Okay. All right. So remember we did 20 seconds, 30, 20 seconds, 30 for those 4 moves. All right, now for the shallow metabolic squats, if you're really feeling yourself, if you feel like you're warmed up, we can go full reps on those, okay? So I know in the first one, you did a little partial, okay? Feeling strong after that lower body challenge, you can go all the way down, boom, rep it out, okay? So have a little bit more time here to rest. Then we get into circuit 2, and then we get into our cool down. All right, here we go. Okay, we're gonna start in 8 seconds here. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the shallow metabolic squats, okay? Get ready, in 2, 1, and go. 20 seconds here, fast, no matter which version you do, okay? Go down partially or halfway. Make sure we keep that chest up. Pushing the pace, pushing the pace. And done. Good. Catching our breath here, catching our breath. Then we go into those anterior reaching lunges here again. So remember, we start with the left, I started with my left leg last time. All my weight's in this front leg, light on that back leg. Boom, I hinge at the hips here. Common mistake, people just fold over. We're not folding over, think of moving at the hips, all right? We can start in 3, 2, and go. You can also here, place your hand right here at your hip if you have a hard time, and then hinge until your stomach folds over onto your hand. Shifting back, up, squeeze. Here we go, starting to burn. We have another 10 seconds. Pushing through that burn. Remember, there's only a 10-second rest between legs here, so be ready to transition really quick after this. And done. Woo. Shake, shake, shake. Take that out, okay? When I do that, I feel like I'm doing a stinky leg. All right, here we go. We get to switch legs here. Ready, and we're rocking and rolling, we're going. Oh God. Remember, if you have a hard time, you place that hand right at the hip. We're at the halfway point here. Pushing through. Here we go, we're gonna finish this workout strong. Going for another 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Squeeze, 2, and done. Good, good. 30-second rest here. Then we go to those skater steps. I will tie my shoe. Make sure I don't have any mishaps here today. All right. All right, 30-second rest. We have another 13 seconds here. Remember, we go those skater steps, soft landings. If you wanna make this harder, big jumps. If you wanna make it easier, smaller jumps. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Here we go. 20 seconds here of straight speed. Last 10. Bring that hand across the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Good, good, good. Catch our breath here, catch our breath. All right, here we go, last exercise in the workout. We go prisoner squats, all right? Okay, so remember, either hands behind the head or hands are inside of the head, keeping the chest up, all right? 10 seconds here for a rest, left in the rest break. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Elbows back, elbows back. Here we go. I want you to hold me accountable, so I'll give you a lateral review. So you should be able to see my ears here, right? If you're working out with a friend, same thing, you should be able to see their ears. We shouldn't be here, but here. Here we go, chest high, chin away from the chest. Last 10 seconds of the workout. Pushing through for 2, 1, and good. Nice, nice, nice. All right, now we're gonna go into our cool down. First, we're gonna do a little virtual fist bump for a workout complete. This is my favorite part of workout right here, the cool down. All right, we're gonna go into the hamstring hold. Okay, so we're gonna do the same stretches we did at the beginning, but now this time we're gonna hold it. Okay, so always wanna finish up with some static stretching. So we come forward with this leg. We can use this chair to help us use a chair, or you just hold your balance like this and hold. Deep breaths. Try to calm down your breathing here. Good, and we'll switch sides. Remember, for these stretches, don't want to fight for it, okay? It should be at a point where you can relax into this, okay? So if you feel like you're super tense by going all the way down here, come up a little bit higher, okay? And relax, relax. Have a good time, don't need to be tense. All right, now we're gonna switch side. Now we're gonna switch into a quad hold here. All right, so we're gonna go just like this. Remember, you can use a chair, you can stand up if you wanna challenge your balance. Big thing here, if we're holding this stretch, this thigh should be even with this thigh. So we don't wanna be here, we're gonna be back there. And we're holding. Good, and now we'll switch. Nice. Keeping that heel as close to the butt as we can. Good, and then we go into one last stretch, and that'll be the workout for us today. We go lateral lunge hold. So you sit back. See, my hips are here. I'm not here, but I'm sitting down and back. All right. Holding, holding, holding. And we'll switch sides. Now for this, you should feel a nice big stretch on the part of that thigh. All right. Keep that chest tight. Deep breaths, deep breaths. And that is the workout for today. Thank you for joining me. Once again, I was Coach James. I hope you had a good time. All right, and I hope you join us again very soon. Have a good one.